The dawn of dignity. Introducing the Posh Act 2013. Workplaces should be safe for everyone. Sexual harassment violates fundamental human rights and attacks a woman's dignity. Women deserve to work in safety. This protection was long overdue. So, India introduced a crucial law, the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace, Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013, commonly known as the Posh Act. Its primary purpose is to protect women and prevent sexual harassment at all workplaces. This act is more than words. It is a powerful promise of a secure environment, where women can pursue their careers freely, without fear. It stands as a legal shield, protecting working women everywhere. Before this comprehensive act, there were the Vishaka Guidelines, born from a court case. They laid the groundwork, and the Posh Act made these protections stronger. It codified them into binding law for all workplaces across the nation. A truly significant step. It was a victory for women, a victory for justice. The Posh Act is a landmark in ensuring workplace safety for women. Defining the boundaries. Key aspects of the Posh Act. What exactly is sexual harassment? The Act defines it clearly. It includes unwelcome acts or behavior like physical contact, demands for sexual favors, showing pornography, and sexually colored remarks. Who does this act protect? Any woman of any age, whether employed or not. It covers regular employees, temporary staff, daily wage earners, visitors, students, and apprentices. Where does this law apply? The definition of workplace is broad. It includes any place visited by the employee during employment, including transportation provided by the employer, even a dwelling place or house if work takes her there. The Act's reach is impressively wide, covering almost all kinds of workplaces: government offices, public sector undertakings, private companies, NGOs, educational institutions, hospitals, and the unorganized sector. No woman should be left unprotected. This comprehensive scope is its strength. The Posh Act ensures that women are protected in all these spaces. It is a robust framework for safeguarding women's rights. The Act is a testament to the commitment to women's safety. It is a crucial step towards a safer work environment for all women. Building walls of protection. Prevention and committees. Prevention is key. The Act emphasizes stopping harassment before it happens. Employers must create a safe culture of respect and zero tolerance. They must display the Act's details and penal consequences of harassment prominently. Conduct regular awareness programs for all employees. Assist women who choose to file a police complaint. Every workplace needs an internal complaints committee, ICC, if there are 10 or more employees. The ICC must have a senior woman employee as presiding officer, 2 members committed to women's causes, and 1 external member from an NGO. This ensures fairness and impartiality. For smaller organizations, or if the complaint is against the employer, the local complaints committee, LCC, steps in. The district officer forms the LCC in every district. This ensures no woman is left without recourse. Justice must be accessible to all. The LCC fills a critical gap, ensuring comprehensive coverage. The Posh Act mandates these committees to protect women. They are essential for a safe working environment. Prevention and committees are the backbone of the Posh Act. Section 4. Seeking Justice, the Complaint and Inquiry Journey. A woman must submit her complaint in writing to the ICC or LCC within 3 months of the incident. The committee can extend this time limit for valid reasons. During the inquiry, interim measures can be recommended for her safety. She could be transferred or the respondent moved and granted paid leave if needed. The inquiry must be fair and conducted quickly, completed within 90 days. The ICC or LCC has powers similar to a civil court, summoning witnesses and gathering evidence. Both parties get a full opportunity to be heard. Confidentiality is vital. The Act protects the identities involved. Details of the inquiry and recommendations must not be published. This protection helps women speak up without fear. The process must be just and equitable for both the complainant and the respondent. The Posh Act ensures a fair and confidential inquiry process. Section 5. Upholding the law, responsibilities, consequences, and a safer future. Employers must constitute the ICC and act on its findings promptly. They must include information about POSH cases in their annual reports. These responsibilities are legal obligations. Non-compliance can lead to fines and even cancellation of business licenses. The law has substantial teeth. For the harasser, consequences range from a written apology to termination of employment. The committee can recommend financial compensation to the aggrieved woman. Justice must be seen to be served. The Posh Act is a significant step towards gender equality and safer workplaces. It gives women a powerful voice and a legal tool for seeking justice. But a law alone is not enough. We all share a collective responsibility to implement it effectively, for a future of dignity and respect for all working women.